I told Ramon where I left my paints. What's up, everyone? I'm the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Thomasville legend of Thomasville tribute, Parker Brakeston. So, this is the second Thomasville tribute car I've reviewed on my channel's history. The first is right here. And this is probably the only one I'm ever gonna, get besides Cal and the other stock cars. Not the next gens. Well, maybe Herb Kerbler, because I can do something along the lines of that, like a little mini series. Yeah, or whatever. But let's just get right into the unboxing. So this packaging is basically the same as last time, besides the fact that they're new cars. And let's just get into this. Now, this car, like many others have said when they reviewed these, they look so much different from their original counterparts. Like, if you didn't know the number, you would never tell these guys were who these guys were, because they just look so much different that they could be a complete another car and nobody would question it. But on the side, his number is 68. He has, I'm not going to try to pronounce that. Motor. He got a lot of sponsors. Jen's Diner. H.J. Hollis. Okay, whatever. I don't got time to look at that. Other side, basically the same. He doesn't have light year on the tires like McQueen does, because McQueen is savage. On the front, you see 68 again. This one has a chip in it, of course. The one I buy, but it has a chip in it because I don't pay attention. 68 on the top and 68 on the back. It's a pretty bland car, but it's still nice looking. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's get me to 200 before September. Hopefully, if you guys want to subscribe, that'd be cool. And hopefully, I can get. I'm trying to work on this little stop motion project right now, where I'm gonna do like a little time lapse of some racers. It sounds weird right now, I know, but I'm gonna try it. So, thanks for watching, and I'm out.